We stand on the precipice of a transformative era where analytics is no longer just a tool but the very lifeblood of modern business. The convergence of generative AI, the Internet of Things, and automation, all of which are transforming the analytics landscape. At the core of these advancements is data, and the way we interact with it is evolving rapidly. In today's fast paced world, businesses must embrace data driven decision making to remain competitive and forge stronger customer relationships. Tableau AI key features. Tableau Pulse. Launched in May 2023, Tableau Pulse is a game changer for business leaders who need insights without being data experts. Einstein Copilot. At Dreamforce 2023, Salesforce launched Einstein Copilot, a new generative AI powered conversational assistant for every Salesforce application. Einstein Trust Layer. Tableau uses the Einstein Trust Layer to bolster security and compliance in data analytics and visualization. Wiz Extension. This feature allows users to build predictive AI models directly within Tableau in just minutes, creating a seamless integration of AI and analytics. Ask Q&A. As of Feb 2024, Tableau Ask Data and Metrics features were retired in Tableau Cloud and Tableau Server version 2024.2. Tableau Pulse. Tableau Pulse is available for Tableau Cloud users and leverages the power of Tableau AI to deliver data in ways that are more personalized, contextual, and smart. The core of Tableau Pulse, the metrics layer, also known as Headless BI, centralizes the definition of metrics and KPIs. It acts as a single source of truth. This saves analysts time by defining metrics once and reusing them throughout the organization. The Insights Platform operates on the metrics layer, a statistical service that delivers advanced analytics, rank insights, and summarizes them using generative AI. It allows users to interact with and explore data through guided follow-up questions for deeper insights. Tableau Pulse also provides a next-gen experiences which presents metrics and insights in a consumer-friendly format through Slack, email, Tableau web app, etc. And that can be quickly scaled across the business. Generative AI-powered insights summarizes help users focus on the key data headlines, highlighting important patterns. Einstein Copilot for Tableau. Enhanced by generative AI, Einstein Copilot provides a powerful and flexible platform for comprehensive data analysis and engagement. Who can benefit from Einstein Copilot for Tableau? Data analysts and data stewards who want to work more efficiently, and people new to the Tableau platform who just want to learn more about it. Tableau Copilot brings trusted and transparent predictions for each user. Furthermore, it offers an AI smart assistant to provide step-by-step guidance for data prep. It allows the business users to gain valuable insights easily. It is also helpful for novice data analysts to explore the data without the need for data experts. Einstein Trust Layer. This framework ensures that Tableau AI functions safely, securely, and reliably, aiming to prevent inaccuracies and safeguard against offensive, biased, and unsafe content. When you give an instruction on Tableau AI for specific insights, it is first translated into a prompt with clear meaning for the task, and it uses deterministic statistical models. A technique called dynamic grounding takes any useful and truthful context from the data and uses it to safely enrich the prompts delivering to the LLMs, either those developed in-house or from a member of Tableau Trusted Partner community. This enables more relevant outputs from these models while elevating the standard for control. Applications built on top of the trust layer can leverage data masking tools to strip sensitive data processed by the LLM. Model generations can then be scanned for toxicity and bias, as well as audited for compliance reasons. Data is never stored outside of Salesforce and never used to train LLM models. As soon as an external model processes a prompt, the prompt and the generation are both forgotten. Data is never stored for any reason. Tableau's goal is to make sure the entire process is safe, secure, and trustworthy. But no technology is foolproof. Users should be aware of the associated risk whenever generative AI is used, and Tableau has these reminders and feedback mechanisms built in. Some features also allow you to directly edit the response before applying it to your data. Leverage machine learning models in Tableau with the Able dashboard extension. Able's library of ML algorithms analyzes your data, uncovers hidden patterns, and provides predictive business insights with just a few clicks. Tableau powerful visual analytics then let you explore these insights in depth. This extension simplifies data presentation for analysts and is available in Tableau version 2024.2. To get started, download the Able dashboard extension from the Tableau exchange. Please note, you must have licenses for both Tableau and Able. Next, add the Able extension to your Tableau dashboard. What are the limitations of Tableau AI? First, rely on data quality. Tableau AI can only provide results as the data sources are fed to its system, so it can provide the right information when the system has the suitable data to address the query. Second, require human checks. Tableau AI powered Pulse provides customized insights in plain language. However, it still requires subtle human checks because of the potential for misinterpretation. Third, can't do math reliably. Combining Tableau with generative AI can let you think about an interface where you can ask questions and get insights. While it sounds great, the real challenge is that it can't do math reliably even after all the advancements in generative AI. There are some drawbacks of Tableau AI. However, it is still in the evolving phase, so you can expect much better in the future. Many organizations are still unaware of the potential benefits that Tableau AI offers. This knowledge gap restricts them from harnessing its power. By integrating AI into your data practices, you position your organization for greater efficiency, accuracy, and competitive advantage. Embrace Tableau AI to transform your data into a strategic asset and achieve unparalleled business success.